Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel DMP Tech. In this tutorial, we will going to see how we can download SSIS, that is SQL Server Integration Services. So in order to do that, we first need to download the Visual Studio. So here I am on the site of the Visual Studio, and here it is popping up, 2019 version over here. So I can just click on downloads. We can click on confirm here. We can go to download section. Here we can go for Visual Studio. I think it is showing me 2022. Let's click on 2022. Visual Studio Community. So I'll click on download. So now .exe file is downloaded. I'll click on open. Okay, Visual Studio installer. I'll click on continue. And you can see that this window has pop up. Here, what we need to do, we need to select .NET, this one, .NET Development Frame, and we need to select the data storage and processing. I think that's it. I'll just click on install. It'll take some time to get downloaded. Okay, guys, so now you can see that the Visual Studio Community 2002 has been downloaded and all the packages is also installed. Now, what we can do is we can click on launch. And here my Visual Studio, Microsoft Visual Studio 2002 will be launched. Okay. So here it is asking for the sign off. So what I can do is maybe I can just click on skip for now. Okay, I can just start with the Visual Studio. Okay, now so this window is popped up. Here, what we can do is we can just click on without code. So now this screen is launched. Here, what we can do, we can go to extension, manage extension here. And here we can search for integration. So here we have SQL Server integration. We can click on install. You can see this has now started installing. So this has now successfully been installed. What we can do, we can click on open file. Okay, so you can see it is showing SQL Server Integration Service Project. Now we can click on modify. Next, install. Okay, so we need to close the Visual Studio. Let me close that. I'll click on OK. Click on install. So here it is asking me to close this. I'll just end task. Okay, so this is now closed. I'll come here, I'll click on OK, and I'll click on install. So now it is loading. Okay, so now you can see the SQL service server integration service project is setup is completed. We can close this window now. Now we can open the Visual Studio from here. Now Visual Studio is launched, getting launched. Okay, we can just click on create new project. Here we can search for integration. So integration service project, click on this, click on next. Here you can just change your project name. Say for example, demo, I'll keep. Maybe I can just, I think demo is already there. So I can just change to demo one. Okay, now I'll click on create. Now the project is getting created. Okay, so now you can see that the SSIS window, SSIS, that window is launched over here. Okay, so here you can just develop your project, the package and project name. You can change it here. This is the SSIS toolbar. With the help of this, you can develop the ETLs. So I hope you understand this video. If you like this video, please hit a like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Your subscription will be very important for me to grow. Thank you so much for your time.